What's good, guys? I finally got this camera I was waiting for. This is a brand new DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. Today, I'm gonna show you some D-Log 2 footage and share my camera settings and give you my pre-light for D-Log 2.
Chasing moments, but they're fading in the dark. I'm sinking in a deep end. Leave me on the cold ground. Even if we're breaking, say we'll make it. Feel my hands shaking, see the colors changing. 'Cause I need you now. 'Cause I need you now.
The new telephoto lens is a major upgrade, but it only works in D-Log. So you'll either need to shoot everything in D-Log or switch between the two profiles depending on the situation. Now, let me show you my camera settings. According to DJI, the dynamic range in D-Log 2 gets better as you increase the ISO from 100 to 1600. So, for the best image quality, I recommend using ISO 800 or 1600 and adjusting the exposure with an ND filter or the shutter speed.
How can I miss you when you're right here? Together we could disappear. How can I miss you when you're right here? Together we could disappear.
You can download my free D-Log 2 LUT from the link in the description below. Just remember to adjust the exposure, white balance, and the situation to fit your footage.